In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. To get started, open Facebook and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Marketplace icon and click on it. This will take you to the section where people buy and sell locally through Facebook. From there, select Create New Listing to begin setting up your sale. Next, you'll need to choose the listing type that best matches what you want to sell. Facebook Marketplace usually gives you a few options, including item for sale, vehicle for sale, and home for sale or rent. For most everyday products, the best choice is item for sale. Choosing the correct type helps your listing appear in the right category and makes it easier for buyers to find. After that, add high-quality photos of your item. This part is extremely important because photos are often the first thing buyers notice. Try to use clear, well-lit images that show the item accurately. It's also a good idea to include several angles so people can get a full view of what you're offering. If there are any important details, where marks or imperfections, include close-up shots of those as well. Being transparent in your photos helps build trust and can reduce unnecessary questions later. Once your photos are ready, enter the product details, fill in the title, price, category, condition, description, and location. When writing these details, be as honest and specific as possible. A clear title helps people understand the item immediately, and a detailed description gives buyers the information they need before reaching out. Accuracy here can make your listing look more professional and trustworthy. When everything is filled out, review all the information carefully. Double-check your photos, your price, and your description to make sure everything looks correct. Then click Publish. After that, Facebook may take a little time to approve the listing. Once it's approved, your item will become visible to potential buyers. After your listing is live, keep an eye on your messages. Interested buyers may contact you with questions, so check regularly and respond as promptly as you can. Quick replies often improve your chances of making a sale. Be ready to answer questions and provide extra details if needed. Finally, when you find a buyer, agree on a final price, then arrange pickup, delivery, or shipping. Before handing over the item, confirm that payment has been received. Whenever possible, keep communication within Facebook since that helps you stay organized and keeps everything in one place. And that's how to sell on Facebook Marketplace.